HubSpot CRM can significantly improve customer service by centralizing communication, automating tasks, and providing detailed customer insights. Here's how to use HubSpot CRM for customer service. Set up your support pipeline. Create a pipeline. Customize your support pipeline to track customer issues from initial inquiry to resolution. This helps you monitor the progress of each case. Manage and organize customer information. Customer profiles. Use HubSpot to store detailed customer profiles, including contact details, communication history, and purchase information. This enables personalized support and quick issue resolution. Automate support tasks. Create tickets. Automatically generate support tickets from emails, web forms, or live chat. HubSpot will organize and assign tickets to team members for efficient tracking. Automated responses. Set up automated workflows to send acknowledgement emails or responses, keeping customers informed and reducing manual work. Use the knowledge base, self-service portal. Create and manage a knowledge base of frequently asked questions, guides, and troubleshooting tips. This allows customers to find solutions independently, improving satisfaction. Monitor customer service metrics, reports, and dashboards. Track key metrics such as response times, ticket volume, and resolution times. Use these insights to improve your team's performance.